Reporting live, and again, it's your boy Jay holding it down, city to city, titty to titty. I'm with my nigga, my player, my partner, my brother, my loved one of the hardest working motherfuckers, Gagini, your boy L2, back again, nigga, season 2, reporting live, and again, deeply rooted at the SMB Babs, Shanti, Situ Kismos, and again, holding it down. My nigga, what's up, nigga?
I'm glad in time for you, Miami Crime, DC King, sure, and yes, Nagin Kismos.
That's a response, man. So let the people know where L2 and DC King is from. Let the people know what's going on. Thanks. Thanks. Mlazi, yeah, nigga, little kids licking up, organizing the EJ.
After it's been supplement to my F and basically got my show. We're just two creators that are very, very passionate about arts, music, events, fashion. I think all those things interlinked together. So yeah, we've been pushing this thing for a very long time.
And you're part of a also motherfucker, Brian.
Yeah.
You one hustling motherfucker. Holding me down for the right way. If you come for it, I change this measure for common face, I won't face it, I won't pay come fire, face, I won't just I to come to film. Even if I will remember what it's all. I feel this about no coke and I bet. Tomfoolery TV, but
the
prize. We shot that shit. I was like, alright, cool. And I got Keith's number, Amy, and this, my part of it, Tomfoolery TV is actually dope.
It's a very good company.
And my container person, those who I don't know, but like, and I'm just like shit for the container and shit. I was like, what talk about general and we like almost like in a smart mall, like when you see like make a city or Java mall, there's a shit like that from a container. You know, and when you get on that shit, it's like 3 options. There's
fashion,
whatever, like
fashion, music, and
no, it's like we show like the dance. And Tomfoolery TV, but whatever.
Yeah.
Give to I think dance and uploading anything. Then it's higher span give better less time, so it's basically options of where there's like a gang, a span of us stuff. Back to almost wrong a job, like I was from all corners job, I want you, I'm a little shot through the job, that shit is like fucking dope, and you get to see all our shit, our performances, like part of it,
That shit was crazy because they actually gave our artists a platform where our videos are viewed. If you have 1,000 views on that platform, you start getting paid royalties. And that's why when I was trying to put them on the Ashantis, when I was like, yo, you need to sign this contract and you need to read and understand what's going on. A lot of people didn't get the whole thing because I feel like I'm an artist, they are scared of contracts, but not because they're scared, but it's because they don't understand. But a contract is a contract because maybe full get and you understand.
It's an agreement between 2 parties.
And you can always change a contract to work in your favor. You know, that's the thing about it. So about the one was like, yo, why are you signing some contracts? And I'm like, this video will be because if I take a video right now and I put it on your phone, you're not generating anything. You're only playing it from your phone. But if you play it from a platform, it is a way you can.
Because that shit, like, it's not even.
It was okay from because it's what they did is that bafaka ama-Wi-Fi wama-wish.
Yeah,
So
container.
imagine if
They're more containers than most.
So imagine if there's 7 people each and every day viewing your videos 10 times. Then what should you can easily reach 1,000. And once you start reaching 1,000, you can generate royalties. So
Yo, more we container again that gets to zoom.
and you just watch your video. That's
So your container won't be thousand. Don't say it's time for you.
in Japan.
Whatever. Check it upon let's go and if there's an available Wi-Fi, so one of Tom CD,
Yeah,
right?
Tom
Click on that
CD.
Tom CD shit. So there's something like the smart shop, most of them are option.
Yeah.
Free Wi-Fi for like 100 megabytes, whatever. And the third option is like you basically get to see I'm a video, I'm an artist, and then you get like free Wi-Fi for however long. It's like, if I don't know how, but I don't know how Mr. Price goes on, I'm not quite sure, but like that execution of that product in itself, it's
crazy.
Artist, this crazy dope shit.
And fashion design.
Fuck with that shit. It's like whatever, if it's fashion, music, fucking, like, fuck, bro, like, it's like different snippets. I'm not needy. I walk like down and talk very my face, way up, but then
Yeah.
but then I fit in jail about the face.
I remember you saw the video like, I just saw myself. Like,
After like weeks, because I'm players in court, don't players in court. That's how I'm going. That's some colors in the show. It's like, well,
cool. And abantu abaningi abashisa amavidiyo balole mali ukuthi lezi tolo sindele amavidiyo. Ayikho video.
I'm
I don't even have
and we live in the fucking future. There's some dope ass fucking shit, dog.
Exactly,
Like,
bro.
I want to talk to Heathens. We need like a proper campaign for that shit, dog.
And they're down to work, bro. Because
Yes,
they're a very small agency, but they do like
Yeah.
corporate projects.
Yeah.
I'm cool, like Mr. Private. Something like
Heathen fence. I don't know. So it's part of
cousin Mike.
because I brother, great tag team, guys.
Yeah.
Super great tag team.
Professional.
So professional, and like even their idea, their business on CV and the execution of it using more container, bro. Like, fuck.
That's
I
what
feel like we need a proper
because
campaign
they
for that
know what's in,
That's where the power is. That's where the viewership is. That's where the money is, dog. That's
like
where-
in Japan, contain.
Yes.
Uzokoshanilana.
Like every last dog is like 4 months, bro.
There's a lot.
So I know that there's money in the ghetto, and they're trying to get it. We're trying to get it too now.
That's
That's fine, that's monkey, it took out the guy in the face. But that's so anyway, enough of that business shit.
Never get enough of business.
Thanks to this shit, my nigga. Let the people know what's single is out. Took out basic king, took out see. Where's the land? Took out what's being pushed now? What's going on?
What's up with you?
Because I see niggas not paying the stress, but I'm going landing, but buy business.
The original came back.
Sure.
This is saying,
So
what's
when
going on?
the king slim to the spellage.
Mm.
Nagin.
God.
Nagin. Yeah, bafethu phumile ingoma yethu bafethu fokoqala phumile ingoma. Ngalesizwe it's out.
When did it come out, though?
Dropped it last week,
Yeah.
Friday.
Yes.
Yeah. A project so Afro Deep.
Yeah, producer of
Yeah.
it.
Shout out to all the people for TikTok to come and see.
Offered the Kushalaga Mashum, yeah, prize. Yeah, he's a very dope producer, meaning from all Root Boys, or Achab, and
Expanding,
Yeah.
so he's one of those.
Shout out to Archal. We need you on the show.
Yeah,
I'm saying,
get Achab on the show.
Yeah.
She's out there doing the most.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just dropped it. This thing related to this season because after Ilente COVID, we went quiet, but we were working on individual things. So we're like, yo, about with December, let's just have something for Abantu who's been rolling with us. It's not that it's just tool and like COVID. Since I have COVID.
That's nice.
Yeah. So we released the song and it's available for downloading like all digital platforms. Yeah.
I know you were fucking with these niggas with the videos, though. Wasn't like, shout out to Monkey on me. That's the one go, but that's the same thing. Oh my, oh God, my ex in this. Kunezinye inkqubo engakhela phana kangathi ngeza hayi
Rest.
Okay, so the song dropped last week, I mean, and how's the response been from that show?
I mean, for us, the album is proper in though. I feel like as much as we don't have a big following, but the following list now, which is enough for us, always responds in a very positive way, you know.
You should be gigging like a motherfucker, bro. Like, what's going on? Like, as you signed, or you like an independent artist, do you have an agent, do you have a manager? Like,
Yeah.
See.
I don't have a manager, I have a business partner. I'm not signed, I'm independent. And yeah, I feel like that's the only thing we've been trying to push for a long time. Was really trying to, you know, get back what is ours. Which is the
With
first.
regards to the gigs, do you have a booking agent, or do you still finish that yourself too with your business?
I feel like that's in the line of having a business partner, because
Yes.
once you start having a manager, it means you have someone who's taking care of your dream, you know, and the business partner is someone who understands the dream and is also part of the dream.
Yes.
So I always would say a manager, okay, you have a manager, but then to which extent is it going to ride with you, you know?
Yes.
But a business partner is
Getting money together, bro. Literally.
giving money. So I know if I'm losing, you also losing.
Yes.
So there's a equally binding a corner
And
between.
we ain't trying to lose, nigga.
Nobody's trying to lose anything. So
Yes.
yeah, we've been doing a tour with Q,
Yes.
Destruction Boys.
Destruction Boy!
Yeah,
Yeah, that shit.
we also
Ah, it's
working with
enjoyable.
him. You know, just
Nigga.
a lot of stuff we coming up on the next project with him. Me and BCK, so we also going to try to work with the gaming. So yeah, kunengokwenzakalayo and next day ngicabanga ukuthi uzoba uyisona isikhathi ukuthi siqale sikhiphe kahle izinto.
I'm a nigga, you too legit, bro.
Too legit to lose.
Ain't better than that.
Too legit to
Ever since I saw
lose.
that shit, yeah, I'm like, wow, no, Nelly, 2018 shit. I was like, oh, niggas is fucking it up. Hey, so niggas is fucking it up, dog. Means I got show face.
Yeah.
But bullshit.
And thank you for always like supporting the movement, especially us and having us on
The money's in the streets, dog.
the show.
If you must know, the money's in the streets.
Yeah.
If you must know. The money ain't Morningside, right? It's a London 75. It's a Don't underestimate mine. Days with that plan and the entire person was saying my car, bro. For real, son. Got challenged, no games, and got your big. Because that's what it said. Supporting your holding guitar, reporting live against the city. Deep Lulu, shout out to the CEO of the team, reporting live at the Babs SNB Shandy, so kiss most again. When I'm saying, let the people know also where they can find you, dog. I'm on the social networks, talking about Facebook, Instagram, this is when the PC to
Sure. Facebook it's L2, Instagram it's L2 every day. Instagram it's L2 every day. It's ARRYDAY.
On Facebook it's BCK_SA, and on Instagram it's BCK. Yeah.
Reporting live against the bunch. Man, you ain't dropping a video for that shit.
When
we dropping that baby girl.
Salami will record if on December.
Sure.
Sifike nje kwi-house party sihambe nyanga kuyona first time sixoxe nje.
Tamba.
Sinabakhamera nje. Record base. Thatha wonke labasiphethe siwahlanganise ube ngathi le video wakhe khona i-vibe engathi cha shay front.
So reporting live let it be known we support the shit. So deeply rooted Gagini, so chilling with all the holding it down for you, those who are no much. Yes, we appreciate the love, right? Right now, roll up the blunt.
You already high, right?
Nigga, already. We already high, nigga. Kagin. That's the one mission. We love y'all. Super shit. Masha.
Hello, but there's a budget.